All right, fellas, last break of the night, and it is going to be our last box of 2019 Encased first off the line football. So you got 5 cards per box, couple of hits, including a graded card. So let's see if we can pull something nasty. It's going to be a random division break. Hopefully we can finish strong on this one. So got Chris P with 1 spot, Donnie with 1, Zach G with 1, Rick M.O. with 1, William M with 1, Nick W with 1, Richard D with 1, and then I've got the last spot. So let's go ahead and randomize the divisions. So we'll mix this up 5 times. All right, so we'll mix up these 8 spots 5 times as well, match them up with the division. Here we go. All right, here we go. So Chris P, you've got the NFC East. Donnie's got the NFC South. Let's see. Nick W with the NFC North. Richard D with the AFC East. Rick M.O. with the AFC West. I've got the AFC South. William with the AFC North. And then Zach G has got the NFC West. So Zach's going to, if we can pull that Kyler Murray, Zach, that's going to be you. Any Haskins or Daniel Jones is going to Chris P. And I've got the AFC South, and I can't even think who that even going to be. All right, let's see. Oh, we got a redemption on the back. So let's just start it from here. So first up, we've got number 15, Julian Edelman, who now doesn't have a quarterback. So his value is going to plummet faux show. So that will be the AFC East. We got a Keyshawn Johnson to 25 for Tampa Bay. That's the NFC South. Dude, this next one, if this is an autograph, it's going to be pretty nice. Oh. Number to 50 is going to be a Brett Favre relic. NFC North. There you go. All right, and then the redemption. It's going to be a rookie endorsements, TJ Hawkinson. So that will be the NFC North, which will be Nick. So Nick, that one's coming to you. And then let's see what we can get out of this one. Come on. it's going to be a Will Greer. Almost Kyle Allen. 2019 Encased Rookie Notable Signatures Ruby. So it's numbered 8 out of 9. And that is going to be another NFC South, which will be Donnie. Beckett graded a 9-10 on the auto. And that'll do it for Encased. So nothing super crazy out of here. See if Will Greer ends up being the starter in Carolina. If he turns out to be anything. So appreciate you guys jumping in on Encased.